Hey everybody, I'm very happy to be here today. It's Michael from Laurastar, and I'm here to show you why use Laurastar instead of going to the dry cleaner. It's a question we often get asked by our customers, and I wanted to explain it here today to explain. So, first element, we know from a study that 70% of people bring their clothes to the dry cleaner not because it's dirty, but only because it's wrinkled. And we know that with the Laurastar product, you can really unwrinkle your clothes in a great way. I'm going to show it live here with the Laurastar Lift Extra that we have now. So here's a jacket, the same one that I'm wearing. It's not stained, and it's only wrinkled, and I need to use the Laurastar. I will use the Laurastar Steam to unwrinkle it. What is important is to touch the clothes with the iron in order to steam it the best. So here you see I'm steaming the product, the clothes, and in really a minute, I can really unwrinkle it really fast. What you need to know is by also steaming this product, like this clothes, like I showed you, you can also disinfect it. We have done studies about the Laurastar Steam. It kills bacteria, mites, and also the virus. And yes, we tested the COVID-19, and it does kill it as well. And this is a key argument. Not only are you steaming and unwrinkling your clothes, but you're also disinfecting it. Second element is you save time. You don't have to go to the dry cleaner. You don't have to spend 4 hours, wait, or 8 hours. I don't know how much time. Save on your car bills as well. A third element is you save money. Of course, Laurastar is an investment. You have to invest in the product itself, but you invest in it once. You will not pay again and again and again to steam and unwrinkle your clothes. Okay, and the fourth but really important one is you are using natural steam. Laurastar doesn't use any chemicals. The steam you see here is natural, and it's good and safe for the environment. So not only are you saving time, money, but also you're environmentally friendly. So I hope I've explained exactly why use Laurastar instead of going to the dry cleaners. And until next time, bye-bye.